Pro360. A complete nutritional weight gain supplement for men and women with the right balance of protein, carbohydrate, fat and essential vitamins and minerals. Gain weight up to 2 to 3 kilograms per month. Pro360 Weight Gainer is enriched with the power of triple protein formula, milk, soy and whey. Fortified with lysine to increase your appetite.
25 vital nutrients required for growth during adolescence.
Available in delicious flavors: mango, chocolate, and banana.
Directions to use: add 2 heaped scoops, 25 gram per serve, of Pro360 Weight Gainer and mix it in 200 to 250 milliliters of cold or lukewarm milk. Recommended to take twice a day, after breakfast and dinner. For best results, use for at least 2 months continuously.
For the individuals who are underweight and looking forward to increase their body weight, order now. Pro360 Weight Gainer.